I'm about to play Smash. Trying to get some cash. I'm gonna get a rash. Hey, it's RashBalash.
What's up, everyone? It's your boy RashBalash, back at it again with another food smash. You know, there's a little special event going on right now with McDonald's and Pokemon. You know, we got Pikachu right here. You know, he's chilling with us. And so, you know, why not do a food competition? I'm gonna do it against my brother here because he wants to compete, even though he's easily gonna lose.
I wanted to win. I don't even want to win. You know what? I feel bad for winning. That's how sure I am of how this is gonna go.
Cap. All right, we'll see at the end. There's this special event, as I was saying. Also, the food's changed a little bit. We got fries and the nuggets, no apple slices because we got the larger fries. And then at the end, you know, we got the Pokemon card reveal. So if you go and get a Happy Meal, you'll get a pack of 4 Pokemon cards, 1 holographic and 3 other cards. Three, 2, 1. Go. Damn it!
Oh my god, that was disgusting. I have something to share. This fell on the ground.
What? So you didn't win?
What do you mean?
I was a little sad at first, but then I realized Fuad had to have cheated. And I looked around, and you know what I found? This little fry. So I've determined as I'm just being a just and fair judge of this competition, that this is contested and not legitimate because you cheated. I think we have to do this again sometime.
Alright, I beat him this time. I'll beat him again. It's no problem.
No, because you cheated.
Mm-hmm.
You literally cheated.
Mm-hmm.
This is what a cheater would do. Oh yeah, but we also got Pokemon cards. But we need to wash it.
Yeah.
We got our cards here. There's also a
card holder.
puzzle. And of course, more importantly, the cards. So I'm pretty sure at the first card that's at the bottom, I don't know what it is, but you guys can see it, is the holographic, but I'm gonna open mine one by one.
Do you want to just reveal to the camera and then see what they are?
I already did.
Oh no, all of them, one by one.
Do you release this?
Alright, that's what I have.
Okay, so first card.
Alright.
Chimchar.
Oshawott.
Okay. Sobel.
Fennekin? It's been so long since I've kept up with this. I think Chimchar was the generation where I stopped. Snivy.
Oh, Pikachu.
Oh, nice.
Alright, shiny. Cyndaquil. Charmander.
Nice.
Let's go. Charmander, yo. You know I have a lot of Charmander stuff.
Nice.
Best starter. Literally best starter. So we got another Pokemon video coming up where we compared these cards, and we got some other cards to open up, some other card packs to compare to our old cards and show you how boosted these new cards are. So be sure to watch that when it comes out. I'll have it linked down below when it does. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.
This is the best day of my life. I met RashBalash, the really famous YouTuber.